spell it together. C-O-W. Cow. A cow gives us milk. Calf. Let's spell it together. C-A-L-F. Calf. A calf is a baby cow. Sheep. Let's spell it together. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. A sheep has soft wool. Lamb. Let's spell it together. L-A-M-B. Lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. Pig. Let's spell it together. P-I-G. Pig. A pig plays in the mud. Piglet. Let's spell it together. P-I-G-L-E-T. Piglet. A piglet is a baby pig. Horse. Let's spell it together. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. A horse runs very fast. Pony. Let's spell it together. P-O-N-Y. Pony. A pony is a small horse. Donkey. Let's spell it together. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. A donkey is strong and helpful. Goat. Let's spell it together. G-O-A-T. Goat. A goat jumps and eats grass. Rooster. Let's spell it together. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. A rooster wakes everyone up. Chicken. Let's spell it together. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. A chicken lays eggs. Chick. Let's spell it together. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. A chick is small and yellow. Goose. Let's spell it together. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. A goose honks loudly. spell it together. D U C K. Duck. A duck swims and says quack. Turkey. Let's spell it together. T U R K E Y. Turkey. A turkey has funny feathers.